In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on developer mode or dev mode on your Wix website. Turning on dev mode allows you to access more advanced features and tools which are particularly useful for customizing and enhancing your site beyond the standard options available in Wix. So if you're ready to unlock new capabilities in your website design process, let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to wix.com on your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate and click on the specific website you wish to enable dev mode for. After selecting your site, look towards the lower left corner of your screen and click on the Design Site button. This will open up your site in the Wix Editor, which is where you can make all the creative adjustments to your site's layout and features. With your site now in editor mode, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the setup. Across the top of the page, you'll see a series of navigation tabs. These tabs are where you'll move on to the next step. Find the dev mode option among these tabs and click on it. It's typically located alongside other settings that give you greater design flexibility. After selecting dev mode, you'll be presented with the option to activate it. Click on Turn on Dev Mode. At this point, Wix will configure your editor to display developer tools and features. It's important to remember that enabling developer tools can provide access to more complex site functionality, including custom coding and API connections. So it's really a powerhouse for those looking to take their website to the next level. Once you have successfully turned on dev mode, you'll notice some changes to your settings and available features within the editor. These adjustments are designed to enhance the breadth of customization you can achieve, so I encourage you to take some time to explore these new options. Feel free to click around, experiment with different settings, and determine what works best for your needs. And for those times when you might not need the advanced tools, or you just want to revert back to a simpler view, turning off dev mode is just as straightforward. Simply go back to the dev mode tab and click on Turn off dev mode. This action will return your editor to its standard settings. It's as simple as that. You've now learned how to easily enable and disable developer mode on Wix, providing you with the tools needed for more complex site enhancements. This feature is a fantastic way to bring additional customization and creativity to your website, giving you more control over the final product. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find many exciting ways to utilize dev mode in your web design journey.